Hey guys, this is CodeWarshark. Today we're going to be making this game where you dodge things. I just made my own version, which is an eye dodging science bottles. And I'm gonna create a new project and make a simpler one, but just putting in a green square. And now I'm going to put the green square right here. So you want X position to be Y0 and X 180, negative 180. Now we need to program our player to go left and right. So forever, we need to make a new variable called YV, which is Y velocity for all sprites, and then set YV to right key right press minus key left pressed. And then we set YV to YV times 0.9. And then change Y by YV. Whoops. I meant to do up and down arrow. And change. And put the first one to change YV by. Look, and now you can slide left to right. And this I'm gonna be making in my cube. Be dodging. Let's see. Do something simple. Like, how about orange? An orange, because it doesn't like oranges. We want to put our orange to when green flag is clicked. Forever, create a clone of myself. And then in between, we have to wait 1 second. And when I show it as a clone, go to X to 250, and we want the Y to be pick random negative 180 to 180. And then we want to repeat until our X position is greater than which X position is smaller than which is smaller than negative 180. 80 negative 250. Oh, also I forgot, we want to be moving 10 steps. Actually, we have to be moving my change X by negative 5 steps. And we want to be, I'm gonna make my oranges turning like this. And then after it gets to that point, you want to delete. Actually, let's change it to negative 240. Just like that. And we also want the orange to show as a clone and hide. And hide when it's not a clone. And now, for our player, we just want to do if touching orange, stop all. And then we're going to drag this to here. Never mind. We can just do or instead of touching sprite 1. So if we just do this, boom. And now we can make this little point thing. We're going to do variable score. Every time it deletes its clone, change score by 1, and at the beginning of the game, set score to 0. And I'll add a sound for coin. And there's a sound for coin. It's called a coin. And start sound coin. Oops. Okay. And we restart, the score resets. And also in our sprite 1, we also need to set YV to 0 at the beginning of the game. And now we can also add a background. Let's see, blue sky. And that is actually basically it. This is a very simple game. And one more thing that I could actually add is background music. I like drum jam. And play sound drum jam until done. Forever. One green flag is clipped. Okay. Oop. Okay. Very simple game is actually the main thing to make the game. And this is the end of today's video.